Good evening, Madam Vice Mayor, members of the council. My name is Larry Noaks. I'm an attorney, and I've been asked to speak tonight on behalf of 5 of the collectives that were displaced as a result of the new geographic zoning restriction. Councilmember Gavlich, I appreciated your comments, and it sort of hit on the head what I wanted to address. This was a group of folks that followed a set of rules that this council enacted and published and went through a procedure that this council endorsed and promoted. They paid a fee that this council set, and they went to hearings that this council scheduled. And as they went through the process, issues came up, and all of a sudden the rules got changed. I thought a very, very fair suggestion was made tonight, and that is that those people that were adversely affected or are adversely affected by the change in the rules, that timely submitted the application, timely paid the fee, went along with participated in the lottery, were successful in the lottery, that these people now, knowing that they are going to be displaced by this new restriction that they had no notice of before, be allowed some time to find a new location. A proposal was made for 60 days. I think that might be a short period of time. I would suggest a slightly longer period of time, perhaps 90 days. I've heard some of the people I've talked to say as long as 6 months, but I don't think that the council really has an appetite for anything that long, but certainly a reasonable amount of time to allow them to find a new location. I would also suggest, and I appreciated the comments with regard to the parks, and Councilmember Neal, I think, illustrated it aptly when there was a suggestion that perhaps a place that might be a park be specifically excluded as a park. And what we get into now as we start to parse this ordinance a little bit is death by 1,000 cuts. And there was a set of rules that was a pretty good set of rules, but I think if we're going to define parks, it might be helpful to specify the actual park locations in the ordinance so that people can know where they can operate and where they cannot. These folks participated in the process. I think as part of their due process rights under the California Constitution that they're entitled to be free from arbitrary adjudicative procedures, and I think that pulling the rug out from under them without giving them an opportunity to correct the situation is not fair under our laws. Thank you very much.